Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot. This product is being marketed as a skincare solution that promises to improve the look and feel of your skin. It is advertised as something that can brighten your skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and give you a smooth and glowing look. When you first hear about it, it might seem like an advanced and professional treatment that has been developed with special ingredients. But when you look closer at the reviews, things start to look very suspicious. On many online shops, you will see the same people giving reviews again and again. The wording of the reviews is almost identical and does not look natural. Instead of genuine experiences from real customers, these reviews look copied and fake. This is often a red flag that the product is not trustworthy. If you search further, you can also find this exact same Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot on platforms like AliExpress. There, the price is often around $2. But on other websites, it is being sold for up to 20 times more than that. This shows that the product is not some special skincare innovation, but rather a cheap item manufactured in bulk and resold under different names. Many of these products are made in China and then marketed as luxury solutions at a very high price. Thanks for watching.